Hello guys, we're back. We're going to do another science experiment. Actually, we're doing this for Nolan's class. They have Zoom classes going on while we're going through this coronavirus shutdown. And so the teacher is having like a mini talent show or show and tell kind of session with the kids, and the kids can do a presentation of whatever they want. And Nolan wanted to do a science experiment, so we looked up some science experiments online, and we found this one. We thought it was pretty fantastic, so we wanted to share it with you. I wound up ordering this kit online. The challenge that we're going to do, it's called a clock reaction challenge, or iodine clock reaction. This is the kit that I found online. It was about $10, and we'll see if this actually works. The experiments that we found online were awesome, and I think you'll enjoy it. So we're going to go through the steps, but first I'm going to tell you what comes in this kit. This one is called the Presto Clock Reaction Kit. It comes with 2 beakers. It comes with starch solution and 4 vials here of different chemicals. One of them is sodium iodate. The other one is citric acid. One of them is sodium sulfate, and the last one is sodium thiosulfate. I don't know if I'm pronouncing all those correctly. I'm not really a doctor or a professional scientist, but I try. Science is one of my favorite subjects. But anyway, it also comes with 3 plastic cups, 2 scoopers, mini scoops, 2 stirrers, and
2
spoons, right?
But don't tell my friends. No.
Okay, so anyway, other things that you might need are protective wear like goggles. We have those just in case because we are dealing with chemicals, and gloves, okay? So we're going to go ahead and put our gloves on.
So the reason why we need gloves is because the instructions said if the chemicals get on your skin, you have to wash them really good with water.
Yeah, we just want to protect ourselves, and it's always good to protect yourself around chemicals. So, anywho, let me change out my seeing glasses for my protective goggles here.
And let me put on my protective goggles.
All right. So, there's going to be 2 solutions.
I look like a nerd.
Nah, you look like a cute nerd. But anyway, there's going to be 2 solutions. So we're going to start with solution A. I marked the back of this beaker with the letter A so we can keep track of which is which.
But what if we're doing a different experiment?
It's okay. The first solution we're going to mix in here. Actually, let me start again here. So there's 20 mLs, which is 20 milliliters of water in here. I don't know if you can see that. There's markers on the side of this cup, easy measuring. And so I put 20 mLs of water in each beaker. So solution A, we're going to start out with the sodium iodate, and we're going to take a small scoop. Okay, the directions say to take a small scoop of sodium iodate and stir it gently. So I'm going to put this in here, and then I'm going to have Nolan stir it. Okay, oops, sorry buddy.
Where's the stirrers?
Right there. Can you grab a stirrer? So we're going to put, yep. And so I'm going to have you stir that. Hold on to the cup while you stir so it doesn't fall over.
Wait, don't we need something else in here too?
No, I don't think so.
Did you put
No,
2
just
powders in?
no, just that one. Yep. This one, solution A, we just put 1 of the chemicals in there. Okay. And then, make sure you stir that until it's clear. Okay. And then solution B, it says to add a small scoop of sodium sulfite and 2 small scoops of citric acid. So I'm going to put this scooper over there, and I'm going to get the sodium sulfite, right here, and I'm going to do 1/2 of a small scoop and see. So let's see. Here's 1/2 a small scoop. That's about right, I think. And then, since this is going into the same beaker, I'm just going to use the same scooper. 2 small scoops of citric acid. Is that clear? Perfect. Okay, so 2 small scoops.
I spilled a little.
It's okay. You're all right. 1 scoop, and then 2 scoops. Okay, let me set that over here so we know which one is which. So I'm gonna close this up, and I'm gonna give this to you here to stir. Ooh, let me wipe that up before you start. Okay, there you go. Okay, so.
I don't know how it got out.
It's okay. It's all experimental, right? We're all having fun. So, but stir carefully. Not too fast, not too fast. Just stir carefully. Okay. So, we got solution A ready right here. Looks like it's clear. And let me look at solution B. Okay, we're gonna set this stirrer down with solution A, and then we're gonna set this stirrer down with scooper
Should
B.
we probably
Okay.
wipe that down since you're going to be changing the color back to normal
Well,
too?
not yet, baby. We can. That's fine. So then the instructions say, for solution B, we still got to add one more ingredient to solution B, and it's called the starch solution. So can you do this, Nolan? I'm gonna shake this, and then I need you to add 4 or 5 drops of this to solution B. Be careful opening it. 4 or 5. Let me see.
I'm going with 5.
Yep. So don't squeeze it gently. Don't pour a whole bunch. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. Okay. And now we're gonna stir that. Oops, sorry. Use this stirrer right here. Okay. So stir, stir, stir. Not hard, but gently. Well, now this one's a little cloudy, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right. Let me see. Keep stirring. No? Okay.
This one's crazy.
Some days. All right. All right, so lay that stirrer right there. So we know that this goes with scooper B. Nope. What? Oh, for what?
Clean that up.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so here we go. Here's solution A, solution B. Here's a plastic cup. I'm gonna slide these over to the side so we can see. We gotta keep all this together. See what's going on here, okay? So here's the experiment. We're gonna take 1 teaspoon from clock A solution and 1 teaspoon from clock B solution, and we're gonna put it in this cup, and then we're gonna start a countdown, okay? I have extra stirrers here for this, so I'm gonna put a teaspoon while Nolan's over there dancing. So here's a teaspoon of solution A. You want to do this? Okay. And then here's the teaspoon for solution B. Can you put that in there?
There?
Yep. But don't put the spoon in here. So you're just gonna tilt it and get a spoonful. Perfect. Oh, wait, a little bit more. There you go. And then pour that in there. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. Okay. Oh. Keep going. Put some more in there. Just a tiny bit. Half a scoop. No, more. No. Oh, look what it did.
Oh, I missed it.
Uh-oh. Did you see that? Okay, we'll just use this cup real quick. Let's do this.
I missed it.
I know, because we gotta work quick. This is a quick.
This is your fault.
Okay, here we go. Why don't you put your solution in first, and then I'll do mine. Here. So here's a big whopping teaspoon. Put that in there. Okay, that's 1.
I'll watch it.
Okay, you're gonna watch it?
Uh-huh.
You guys watch it too. I'm gonna bring the camera a little bit closer so that we can keep an eye. Oops, got my bracket in the way here. We got it right here.
I'll hold it.
Yeah, you hold
so
it up, but don't put your fingers in the way. Hold it like this. Let's get your glove out of there. There you go. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Okay. Ready?
Huh? 1.
Now swirl
2,
it a little.
3, 4.
No, hold it up.
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Holy moly. That was fast, wasn't it?
Now let's unstain it.
Okay, so there is a way
to undo it. But it'll eventually come back. It will eventually come back.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to set this on a white napkin so we can kind of see it better. Because I don't know if we can see this. And I don't have my glasses on, so forgive me, guys. Okay, so to switch it back to clear, there's a way to do that, okay? So give me 1 second. So the other solution that we use is the sodium thiosulfate. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Once again, wait a minute. And now you'll have to put 3...
No, 2 or 1 crystals.
Oh, let me see. Did we read this before?
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Whoa. These are some tiny crystals.
Are they? Well, make sure you put them on the napkin first. Wait. Yeah, go ahead.
1 or 2? Because I just put out 2.
I don't know. Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait. Technical issues. Let's see. Okay. This is pretty cool, but I mean... Oh, yeah, you're right. 1 or 2 crystals. Okay, so you can put these 2 in there.
And then if it doesn't work...
And then if it doesn't work, then add some more. 1 and 2. And now I need you to stir these just to dissolve it. Now, I don't know how long it's going to take to turn back.
I hope it takes less than 2 minutes.
But it should start to turn clear again. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to hold the napkin up so you can see it in the background. Keep stirring.
I think this looks like Pepsi.
Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. This is awesome. I love science. How about you?
Nah.
You don't?
I'm kidding. I love science.
Uh-oh. Them glasses are up on top of your head. Safety first. Okay, keep stirring.
Seriously, Mom?
Yeah, seriously. Uh-oh, I think it's changing, but you got to keep stirring. Woohoo! Look at it. Stir faster. Look, it's a miracle. It's a miracle. It's a miracle.
And this is supposed to unstain the cup also.
Yeah. I think we might be able to put 1 more crystal in there, don't you think? Or is there another one in there? Okay, keep stirring. Do you see that, guys?
And then we're going to wait to see it change back. Okay. I think we should add another crystal.
You think another crystal? Yeah, put 1 more in there. You know, and this kit comes with a certain amount of crystals, but in the instructions it says if you run out of crystals, you can always use Clorox or Clorox 2 for the same reaction to change it back to a clear solution. So this is fantastic. Oh, just you can leave that there for now and let's do this. Gosh. What do you guys think? You think that's awesome? I think it's awesome. So here's what we're gonna do. One more time, I am going to do this 3rd cup here, and I'm gonna put it on this white napkin, and I'm gonna hold this behind it just so that you can really, really see it, okay? So Nolan, let's do this. Okay, let's set these off to the side. Now I want you to take a teaspoon of solution B, okay? Oh, glasses. Safety first. A big old teaspoon. Actually, you could probably pour that whole thing in there. You know what? Pour the whole thing. Let's do it big this time. Boom. We poured the whole thing in there. Okay. Uh-oh. Watch out now. Okay, you ready? I'm going to pour the rest of solution A in here, and let's see what happens. See, it's clear. But guess what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Whoa!
It takes 9 seconds to change. 9 seconds.
That's awesome. Isn't that cool? Okay, now we're going to throw in some crystals. We're probably going to need more than 1 or 2 crystals for this amount. So put in about 4, I guess.
3 or 4.
Yep. And then we're going to change this back to clear. Oops. Right before your eyes. Awesome.
I'm going to do it, not my mom. Me.
Yep. You do it, Mr. Scientist. Okay. I know the gloves are a little big on him. I didn't have child-sized gloves, and we happen to have these around the house. So, yep. All right, throw them in, buddy. All right, now you got to stir with the black stir there. And let's see. Stir fast, but don't let it splash. So I'm going to keep this white napkin up and toward the back just so we can watch the reaction happen.
But we don't know.
I can't even see. Oh, yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry. I'm looking at the camera a little funny because I'm nearsighted and I can't see far away. So I have these goggles on that are not prescription. So I'm a little cross-eyed right now.
I think they're all dissolved.
You think so? Keep stirring, keep stirring. Might need more. I don't know. What do you think? Because there's a lot of solution. You don't think so? You want me to keep stirring while you put a couple more in? Yeah, you get a couple more and put them in.
Wait.
I don't know if you can hear
I hear us. I think I still hear us.
Can you put a couple more crystals in here?
How many?
Maybe 2, I think. Uh-oh.
Did I drop it in?
No. Yeah, you did.
I dropped that one in.
This one didn't. There it is. Okay. Might take a little longer, so. Boom, 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 boom.
It's starting to change.
I don't know if this part is sudden, but it does go back to being clear eventually.
It smells different.
I think it has to dissolve first, of course, so. And we do not own the rights to any of the music playing in the background, but enjoy it like we are. Uh-oh, we got a dancing scientist over here. Go Nolan, go Nolan, go Nolan, go Nolan, go Nolan. What's the fox say? I don't know if this is turning back yet. I'm gonna put 2 more in there. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. I'm gonna stir, stir, stir.
I think it's starting to change.
You think so?
Because edges are getting more purplish.
Oh. Starting to become a little bit more translucent, right?
Uh-huh.
Instead of opaque.
Yeah, it's starting to change.
I think you're right. It's a miracle. There we go. Let's go.
But is it really though?
I think so. Look, I think it is. It's taking a while.
Okay, new rule. Do not put too much
liquid in there. Everybody need
You'll probably need like an hour to stir this thing.
It's okay. It'll change eventually, I think. I think it depends on how much liquid you got in there, how many crystals you got to put in there to reverse the reaction. So this is all experimental. Oh, there we go. It's all experimental. Boom, 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 boom. It's changing.
Let me add a few more
iodine
crystals.
stains. So
Let me add a few more crystals.
Okay. Iodine stain, so you have to change it back to a clear solution before you dispose of it. Otherwise, it could stain maybe your sink or your utensils or your clothing. So you want to make sure that before you dispose of it, that you change it back to a clear solution. So anyway, as this is changing, I am aging here.
What?
I don't know.
Auntie Andrea's aging today. It's her birthday.
Oh, that's right. Auntie Andrea, happy birthday to you.
If
Your
you're
old
watching
lady.
this,
We'll send oh, bless you. We'll send her a copy, and this will be one of her little birthday entertainment gifts. Look, I think my mistake was I put the entire solution A's and B's together, and my fault. And I don't think I put enough of this.
Now it's starting to turn pinkish.
What is this called again? Sodium thiosulfate. But you know, it is what it is. But I'm glad that we got a chance to show this to you guys. And as always, continue to bond with your children. Share experiences that they like to do. This is my little science guy. He likes science. And so
you mean
this was
bugs?
Bugs and science. And I just want to say thanks for joining us and have a blessed evening. Bye, guys.
And if my mom's posting this on YouTube, bye for now on Nolan's Corner.
All right. Bye, guys.